Hello, my name is Bert van den Hout, or as the English say, Bert van den Hout, and I'm your guide for the small tour through our assembly department where we assemble small machines. We are in fact in the very old part of Herzog. Some of the structural elements of this part of the building date back to the 1950s when Herzog moved to Oldenburg and created or built the first plant. In this small assembly department, our colleagues work on our semi-automatic winding machines, fully automatic winding machines, rewinding equipment from the USP series, or takeoff creels in a large variety. On this side of the department, you will find the assembly of braiding machines. Small in this case means horn gear sizes from 80 up to 120 millimeter pitch. And actually, in this part of the factory, you will find the widest variety of applications for our braiding equipment. You will find anything from classic haberdashery, like elastic buttonholes, up to technical applications, electrotechnical industry, water filtration. You will find candle wicks, shoelaces, whatever. And in recent years, we've seen an increase in machines being built for medical industry. Medical industry in this case means, for this specific line of machines, sutures, standard sutures with either 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 carriers, or in this case a very special machine which is very much accepted already in the market, which can transform from flat tape braid into a circular braid. Now we continue our little tour. Having said that, in this assembly department we do one-offs, single machines. We also do larger series, 10, 20, 50, 100, up to 500 different machines in series. As we in Herzog believe in a large in-house depth of production and manufacturing, we also have our own spray painting department. Follow the leader. And this spray painting department is used for spraying all our machines, and we do that on an environmentally friendly basis. That is, all our spray painting is done on water-soluble paint basis, and upon special request, as some applications and markets require a two-component painting job, we also do two-component paints in colors, whatever you like in RAL, and that's it. Like all of you, we at Herzog also love our specialty machines with which a lot of funny and exciting looking products can be made. One prime example is this very specific machines, which is making the so-called mussel spat rope for the growing cultivation of mussels. The product that comes off looks like this. The basis is a half-occupied rope with 6 closed loops being pulled out of the rope during the braiding process.